Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me this afternoon. I am back with something new, and you've probably noticed from the title. So let me just explain a little bit. Now, one of my subbies and now friend actually said something to me the other day in a comment. She had been watching one of my what's in my Aliexpress baskets, and she had said, oh my gosh, Channelle, these are all the ones that I would pick, and you should be my personal shopper. So I thought, hang on a minute, I can be your personal shopper. Now I know that, I do a lot of searching on AliExpress to find the best products, to try them out so that I can pass this on to you, find the best prices, the best quality, the best value for money. And that's what I do with my what's in my basket, showing you, oh my gosh, what you can buy. And actually by receiving them, I can tell you if they're good quality or not good quality, etc. So I know a lot of you haven't got the time to be going through AliExpress looking for products. I already have done a lot of legwork, and I know an awful lot of good products. So I thought I would do some AliExpress stash packs. Okay, AliExpress stash packs. Now, they're going to be put into categories. So the stash packs are going to be either to do with stamping, so rubber stamps, ink pads, so to do with card making, rubber stamping. You've then got the category of dies. So really that's just be dies, metal dies. The third category would be embellishments or charms, things to bling up your projects. And the fourth category is going to be ribbons and trims, and possibly buttons. Now I will do different amounts stash packs, so you can either buy a £5 stash pack, £10 stash pack, £15 stash pack, or a £20 stash pack. And if you tell me which category, i.e. rubber stamps, dies, embellishments, or ribbons, which one you would like and how much you would like to spend, I will then go out and find you some things. It'd be like a mystery pack, but if you tell me what kind of things you're into, whether you're into card making, journaling, vintage things, give me an idea what you're into, and I will go out and find you for however much you want to spend, £5, £10, 15, etc. I will then find you the products and get them sent directly to you from AliExpress. I won't be sending them, I'll be ordering them for you. Now the only thing I'm going to be doing is actually putting £1 on for my services. £1, that's all. I'll do all the legwork for you. So if you're doing a £5 stash pack, it's going to cost you £6. I'm going to find products that have free shipping, so that whatever you have to spend, you will get things with. Okay, so if you're interested in an AliExpress stash pack and you'd like me to be your personal shopper, all I need you to do is to email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com. Let me know which category. So number 1 is stamping, so stamps, inks, anything to do with rubber stamping like stamp blocks, things like that. Number 2 is dies, so anything metal dies. Number 3 is going to be embellishments, so any kind of bling, embellishments, buttons, charms, things like that. And number 4 would be ribbons and trims and flowers and things like this. So just let me know which category and then how much you would like to spend. Now if you want to spend £8 rather than £5, just let me know, and we would just add £1 on for my services. That's all I'm asking, is a £1 charge for my time. So if you're interested, email me and we'll see if this could be a bit of a success, really. Let's see. But it'd be like a little mystery pack that you get. But that, there are mystery packs on AliExpress, but you haven't got a clue what you're going to get. And you won't, even if you do it through me, but you at least know the kind of things that I like and that I choose. And so you'll know I won't pick rubbish, or, some of you, I know some of you have got an idea what you're into, but if not, you can just tell me what you like and what you don't like, and I will hunt down some absolutely amazing things for you. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you would like one of the stash packs, and email me, like I said, the category and how much you want to spend. I will be your personal shopper, and I will go out and get these items for you. I'm excited. Okay, my lovelies, take care for now, and see you soon. Bye bye.